So a massive amount of equipment deployed here for this project.
So that's the rock socket drill.
So actually we're at a kind of a key milestone today in this project, which is the contractor is nearly finishing what we call the cofferdams. As you can see, the black sheets are all specially designed to form a cylinder, and those cylinders are driven down into the bedrock, filled with cement and sediment, and then piles to put the concrete platform on top of. What you guys are looking at is the Marine Commerce Terminal. It is a multi-purpose facility that's specially designed to handle the heavy capacity loads that are required of the offshore wind components. This facility is part of a governor's kind of really a long-term vision to establish Massachusetts as the hub for this emerging industry along the East Coast. But it's really a bet on Massachusetts and the residents of Massachusetts so that they have the clean energy jobs and the opportunities for the future.
We have a few tugboats, and we move barges when they need them. Several people working for us, all like from the local area. It's been a great revenue for us, keeping boats on the job right here in the city. We don't have to travel elsewhere. Normally this time of year we'll be maybe in Connecticut and have to be away from our families. It's nice just having some work right in our backyard.
Because of the governor's leadership, this site is going to capture not only those jobs, but it's going to capture the imagination of that next generation to really see what we can do as a country and how we can kind of rise to this challenge of climate change. Every science class in New England their teachers are going to want to bring them down to this facility and actually see what the future can be.
I'm delighted to announce that Cape Wind has signed a lease with the Massachusetts Clean Energy Center to use the Marine Commerce Terminal in New Bedford for the staging, assembly, and construction of the Cape Wind project. Cape Wind is not just going to serve Massachusetts, it's going to be built in Massachusetts, and we're very excited about that.
Deploying America's first offshore wind farm out of New Bedford means a lot of things. It's all about a better environment, better energy security, creating jobs for hundreds of skilled tradesmen. He really saw early what offshore wind could not only mean for Massachusetts and New England, but the whole country.
So what you're seeing here is a live test of a 50 and a 60 meter wind turbine blade. What we're doing here is taking the 20-year design life and testing it in 4 months in the lab to make sure when these are installed in the field, they're good for 20 years. There's only a handful of these kind of facilities throughout the world. This is the largest in the US and one of the largest even in the world. This is setting the bar high where the public side is making the investments, but then they're asking the private side to step up and do enough work to maintain it on an ongoing basis.